Why should you care about optimizing your YouTube settings in 2024? Imagine a toolbox, not just any toolbox, but one that could turn a simple video into a viewer magnet. That's exactly what YouTube's optimization settings are like. From enhancing video visibility to improving engagement and bolstering security, these settings are crucial. They not only help your videos reach the right eyes, but also keep your channel secure and your audience engaged. Optimizing your settings is your first step towards YouTube mastery this year. A great video starts with a great title. Crafting the perfect title is akin to setting the hook for your viewers. It must be crisp, clear, and compelling. Think of it as your first impression. Make it count. A title should tease just enough about the content to pique curiosity without giving everything away. Use powerful words and ensure it aligns seamlessly with the video's content. Moving on, the description of your video acts like a bridge, guiding viewers from their initial interest, sparked by your title, to actually pressing the play button. This is where you expand on the hints dropped in the title, giving a clearer idea of what the video entails. A well-crafted description not only enhances viewer engagement, but also boosts your video's SEO. Make sure to include relevant keywords naturally within the first 2 lines, as these are crucial for search visibility. Now, let's talk about tags. While often underestimated, tags are pivotal in ensuring your video reaches its intended audience. They help categorize your content, making it easier for YouTube's algorithms to understand and suggest your video to potential viewers. Think of tags as the coordinates that guide viewers to your video amidst the vast ocean of content. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to cast a wide yet targeted net. Remember, your title, description, and tags set the stage for the success of your video. Ever judged a book by its cover? Your viewers do the same with thumbnails. Creating an eye-catching thumbnail is not just about aesthetics. It's a critical step in engaging potential viewers. These small, clickable images are your first opportunity to make a strong impression. A well-designed thumbnail can significantly boost your video's click-through rate, which in turn enhances its overall visibility on YouTube. Begin with clarity and relevance. Ensure that your thumbnail accurately reflects the content of your video. Misleading thumbnails might attract initial clicks, but they lead to poor viewer retention and can damage your channel's reputation. Use high-resolution images and bold colors to stand out in a crowded space. Incorporate elements that evoke curiosity or excitement, but keep it authentic. Consider also the text overlay, which should be concise and readable. Choose fonts and sizes that are visible even on smaller screens, like smartphones. Remember, a captivating thumbnail can be the difference between a click and a skip. Let's decode the backbone of video visibility: metadata. When you hear metadata, think of it as the DNA of your YouTube video. It encompasses all the crucial information like video duration, views, and how much your audience engages with your content, comments, likes, shares, and watch time. Optimizing these elements is key to enhancing your video's standing with YouTube's sophisticated algorithms. Start by focusing on video duration. Longer videos have the potential to keep viewers engaged for extended periods, which can signal to YouTube that your content is worth promoting. However, the key is balance. Ensure your videos are as long as they need to be. No fluff, just valuable content. Next, consider your engagement metrics. Encourage viewers to interact with your video through likes, comments, and shares. These interactions are gold for boosting your video's visibility. Remember, a video with high engagement often performs better in search results and recommended feeds. With the right metadata, your video is more likely to shine in YouTube's algorithm. How secure is your YouTube channel? In the bustling world of YouTube, safeguarding your channel isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Start with the basics: HTTPS and SSL encryption. These technologies are your first line of defense, securing your channel's connection and protecting both your content and your viewers from cyber threats. Enabling HTTPS on your channel is straightforward and ensures that all data exchanged is encrypted. Moving on to another essential security measure: two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This feature adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification in addition to your password. Whether it's a text message or an app notification, this second step significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access, keeping your channel and its content locked down tight. Implementing these security measures is more than just protecting your assets. It conveys to your viewers that you value their privacy and security, fostering a deeper sense of trust. A secure channel not only protects you, but also builds trust with your viewers. Quality content isn't just about what you say, but how clearly you say it. In the digital realm, the visual and auditory clarity of your content can either captivate or deter an audience. That's why optimizing video resolution, frame rates, and bitrate settings is not just a technicality, it's an art form. Let's dive into video quality first. The resolution of your video plays a pivotal role in how your content is perceived. High-definition resolutions like 1080p or even 4K ensure that your videos look crisp and professional on any device. But remember, higher resolutions mean larger file sizes, so balance is key. Now, on to frame rates. A frame rate of 24 or 30 frames per second is standard for a smooth viewing experience. However, if you're capturing fast action, bumping up to 60 frames per second can keep things ultra smooth and engaging. Bitrate, though less glamorous, is equally crucial. It determines the video's data rate and overall quality. A higher bitrate generally improves video quality, but, like resolution, increases file size. Experiment with different bitrates to find the sweet spot between quality and efficiency. Audio quality should never be an afterthought. A video with poor sound can be as detrimental as one that's visually unclear. Optimize your audio settings by selecting a bitrate that ensures clear and crisp sound. A good rule of thumb is at least 192 kbps for audio bitrate. Also, consider investing in a high-quality microphone. It can dramatically enhance the sound clarity of your videos. Invest in your video and audio quality. Your audience will notice and appreciate it. Are your videos accessible to everyone? In today's global village, it's crucial that your content isn't just seen, but also understood by as wide an audience as possible. This is where subtitles, closed captions, and translations come into play. Subtitles and closed captions are more than just text at the bottom of your screen. They are your bridge to millions of viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing. They also cater to those who prefer reading along, perhaps in noisy environments or in settings where audio can't be played. Integrating translations expands your reach even further, breaking language barriers that can limit your audience. Imagine a viewer on the other side of the world, engaging with your content in their native language. This isn't just a courtesy, it's a strategy to increase your global footprint. YouTube offers various tools to help you add these elements efficiently. You can manually input captions, use automatic speech recognition, or even upload a pre-made file. Accessibility broadens your audience and enhances viewer engagement. Want more eyes on your videos? In the bustling world of YouTube, getting noticed is akin to finding a needle in a haystack. The secret? Leveraging keywords and tags effectively. These are not just mere words, they are your golden tickets to enhanced discoverability. When selecting keywords, think like your audience. What would they type into the search bar to find content like yours? Use these phrases as keywords to align with their search habits. Tools like Google Trends or YouTube's Search Suggest feature can offer insights into popular and trending terms. Now let's talk tags. Tags are the undercurrents that pull your content into the spotlight. They should be precise, relevant, and varied. Include a mix of broad and specific tags to cast a wide net while still targeting niche audiences. Remember, every tag is an opportunity to connect with a potential viewer. Incorporating these strategies ensures that your content does more than just exist. It thrives. By understanding and implementing effective keyword strategies, your videos are poised to reach a broader audience. The right keywords turn searches into views. Let's quickly recap what we've covered. From crafting captivating titles, descriptions, and tags, to designing thumbnails that grab attention, we've explored the essentials. We delved into enhancing video metadata, ensuring robust security with HTTPS and two-factor authentication, and perfecting video and audio quality. We also emphasized the importance of increasing accessibility with subtitles and translations, and boosting discoverability with effective keywords and tags. Optimize these settings and watch your YouTube channel thrive in 2024. Start today.